Hey guys, welcome back to Iqbal Kitchen Cuisine. Today, I'm sharing a special, delicious, and healthy Chickpeas Energy Bites recipe that's packed with nutrients. It's great for strong bones, overall health, gym lovers, growing kids, and women after pregnancy. This easy, homemade snack is full of energy and can be enjoyed by the whole family. So, let's get started. First, take the almonds that have been soaked overnight and peel off the skins. Chop the almonds into small pieces and transfer them to a tray. Next, chop the dates and add them to the tray. Now add the roasted chickpeas and mix everything well. Set this mixture aside. Now, place a pan on medium heat. Add water, brown sugar, white sugar, and butter. Stir continuously until the sugar completely dissolves and the syrup becomes thick, just like you can see in the video. Once the syrup reaches the right consistency, add the almond, date, and chickpea mixture. Mix everything thoroughly and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes over medium heat, so all the ingredients are well coated. Turn off the heat and transfer the mixture into a tray that has been lightly greased with oil. Spread it evenly and press it down gently to create a smooth surface. Refrigerate it for about 30 minutes until it becomes firm. Once set, cut it into square pieces or any shape you prefer. Store these healthy bites in an airtight container, and they will stay fresh for up to 30 days. Enjoy one piece every day with a glass of lukewarm milk for a healthy and energizing snack. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share it with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to Iqbal Kitchen Cuisine and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our delicious and healthy recipes.